welcome to virtualconcepts.com. Hi friends, today we are going to discuss about how to configure RIP routing in GNS3. So RIP is nothing but one of the routing protocols. The full form is routing information protocol. So today we are going to discuss about how to configure RIP routing in GNS3. This session will basically oriented on full practical session. So first of all, we need some basic understanding about RIP routing. Okay. So first I am taking some basic understanding about RIP routing. RIP is nothing but one of the routing information protocol. So the is routing information protocol. Okay. Then it is one of the open standard protocol. Open standard protocol is nothing but everyone can use this protocol. This case is a open standard routing protocol. The next is a classful routing protocol. Classful routing protocol is nothing but only we are using the whole network using RIP only within any one class A, class B, or class A. At least only when possible to use only one class IP address of this whole routing environment. Okay, this is the classful routing. Okay, we will see later this about this topic. Okay. Next one is each and every router communicate to the other routers via the broadcast address 255.255.255.0. This is used for the communicate to each other routers via updates via the broadcasts. Okay. Next, the RIP routing AD value, administrative value is nothing but is 120. AD value is 120 extra. Metric is nothing but hop count. A hop count means number of supported links in this network. This is nothing but metrics. Okay. Next is the maximum hop count is 15 means one maximum hop means okay. 15 means here we are this is the only hop count. Here you can make here one router and here one routers. Okay, so one hop count it making two routers. One is this, another one is this. This case the hop count is 16, maximum supported is router is 16. So maximum hop count is 15 and the maximum supported router is 16. Okay, this is one router, this one up to 15 hop count is available, so it is supporting 16 routers. Next, this load balancing of equal path is 4. Okay, next it is used for the small organization only. We are not able to use this for a very big large organization, only used for the small organization. Okay. Next, the RIP routing, there have the two types. One is a RIP version 1, another one is a RIP version 2. The RIP version 1 is supporting the classful routing. The RIP version 2 is supporting the classless routing. The RIP version 2 is the advanced version of the RIP 1. It has a more authentication, security protocol information, and it is the variables are supported variable and subnet mask, and it is a classless routing. It has a lot of facilities in this protocol. This is the advanced version of the RIP 1. Okay. Next, disadvantage of RIP routing version 1. So okay, it is only supported the classful routing. This is the first major thing of the RIP version 1. Okay, this is first major thing of the RIP version 1 of the disadvantage of the RIP routing version protocol 1. Okay, it is not supporting the variable and subnet mask. Okay, it is only supporting the fixed length subnet mask, not supporting variable and subnet mask. Okay. Next is the address type is broadcast. It is used to communicate with the router using via the broadcast method. In this case, it is address type is broadcast. So address broadcast is nothing but it transfer the packet to all the nodes, routers via the broadcast. So we can lose a lot of bandwidth in this communication. Okay. So it is not supporting manual router summarization. It is not supporting manual router summarization. Manual router summarization means you want to set manually. It is not supporting that. Next one is supporting only. Not supporting the router authentication method. Authentication means method is nothing but it is used to transfer the routing table to one router to another router via the using that security purpose. Here not using. This is a normal purpose we are using. This is not supporting the authentication method. Okay. Next, want to discuss about some basic RIP timers. Okay. The RIP routing protocol have there are 4 routing timers have. One is the update timer. So update timer is every 30 seconds. Each and every router communicate to the share the routing able to the neighbor router via the broadcast. Between time second is 30 seconds is used in kind of consecutive updates. Okay. So next one is invalid timer. Suppose we are not getting any updates from our neighbor or the other routers, and this waiting up to 180 seconds. Next one is the Suppose it is reached more than 180 seconds. We are not getting any data from the nearest router. So this case, this router decide to make this is the unreachable time. Okay, this is the flush timer. Suppose we are not getting up to no updates from any other routers up to 240 seconds. This case is deciding automatically, deciding this router is unreachable state. Is removing all the entries from the routing tables. This case is timer is a flush timer. Okay. Next is the hold down timer. Suppose sometimes we're getting updates. It's waiting up to 180 seconds. This case it is the 180 seconds. Okay. Next, want to see the how to make the practical orientation. Okay, you can see how to do that routing in GNS3 with the full practical orientation. So I need a minimum two router. I'm going to take one router from here. Okay, once if you complete it, take another one router also. So I'm going to take another one router from here. I'm going to two switches. One switch is from here, another switch is also from here. I want to two PCs, one taking on virtual host. This is just for the pinging purpose. I'm taking virtual host. I want to make one switch. I'm going to take one switch and a switch. Okay, by default, this both router want to communicate via serial interface. By default, this both router don't have the serial interface. Want to configure manually. Go to router, double click there, go to slots, go to choose week 1T option, and don't forget to choose this option. This is week 1T. Okay, once you click OK. Same step you want to follow here. Go to directly configure, go to routers, slots, choose week 1T. It is easy to add the serial interface in your router. Okay. Once you complete that, go to cable option, make the connection between serial interface to serial interface. The next pass it in the interface to switch your first port, then pass switch second port to virtual PC port. Then here also same method you can follow this. Okay. Okay. Once you complete that, you can start your network. Yes, right. Okay. Once if you complete that, you can start your network topology using the start button. Okay, this is the network topology. Start this network. Just wait. You can see here this router one by one started automatically. Okay, it will take some times starting the routers. Uh, Once it is completed, you can start your router configuration. Before you going to set some basic understanding about this routing, the network address. Okay, go to okay, go into assign the IP address of this interface 192.168.2.1. This interface IP address is 192.168.2.2. Okay, then next in this interface IP address is 192.168.1.1. Then next this interface IP address is 192.168.3.1. Okay, so I want to just configure that this host IP address is 192.168.1.2. Then this side host address is 192.168.3.2. Okay, so I want to configure next this whole network. You can see this whole network is 192.168.2.0 network. This whole network is 192.168.2.0 networks. Okay, this whole network is 192.168.2.0. Okay, next this whole network is 192.168.1.0 networks. This whole network is 192.168.1.0 networks. This whole network. Next we want to set the network address of 192.168.3.0. This whole network is 3.0 networks. Okay, next we want to configure our router. Just click this option to view that what are the labels we have. Okay, go to router. I click the router R1, go to console. First one to verify what are the interface available in your router. Okay, there is a router have the two ports. One is the serial interface port, another one is the fast Ethernet port. Want to configure this both interface. Okay, first one check what interface available. So IP interface brief. Okay, there are two interfaces available. One is fast Ethernet 000, another one is serial interface 00. Okay. So once you configure, put to configuration mode. Assign the IP address of interface fast Ethernet 0/0, IP address 192.168.255.255.255.0. Then so enable the interface no shutdown command. No shutdown command. Okay, exit. And right now I am configuring this interface was successfully configured. Okay, I am going to configure next this interface serial interface 0/0. Okay, go to interface serial interface 0/0, IP address of 192.168.2.1 space 255.255.255.0. Now I am here with the interface. Okay, then exit. Want to verify the interface status. Show IP interface brief command. You can see this IP address. This is my interface passive network. You can see this is the passive network. Okay. Then next, this is my serial interface network. You can see here interface IP address 2.1. Okay. Once if you commit there, just minimize the router 1, go to router 2, go to right click, console. This R2 router have the two interface. One is the 2.2 networks, another one is the serial interface 192.168.3.1 networks. Okay, I'm going to configure this. I want to check first what is the interface available. Show IP interface brief. So go to configuration mode. Interface fast Ethernet 192.168.3.1 space 255.255.255.0. Sorry, interface fast Ethernet 0/0, IP address of 192.168.3.1 space 255.255.255.0. No shutdown command. I want to configure my serial interface serial interface 0/0, IP address of 192.168.2.2 space 255.255.255.0. No shutdown. Exit. Okay, just verify the interface status. IP interface brief. You can see, friends, right now that the router, the R2 router successfully configured. This is interface 192.168.2.2. Here also this 192.168.2.1 successfully configure this both interface, this and this. Okay, so I'm going to next to configure my PC IP address. So I'm going to configure this first PC. Go to tools, virtual PC. So I'm going to configure my PC first PC line network address. Go to virtual PC IP 192.168.2.2 space 235.235.255. My default gateway is 192.168.1.1. Okay. Once if you commit it, will check any duplicate IP then this network is available. It will not there. Whatever the IP overflow it will take automatically. Once you commit, you can check what is the IP address of your PC. My IP address is 192.168.1.2. My signal mask is 2x4-bit mask, and my default gateway is 192.168.1.1. Okay. Once you commit, go to second PC. My second PC is 192.168.3.2. Want to configure this PC IP address. I go to second PC. Okay. So right now you are in second PC. Use this option to go to second PC. Okay. Next I'm going to assign the IP address of second PC. IP 192.168.3.2 192.168.255.0, 192.168.3.1. Okay, want to check the IP address of second PC. You can see this is my second PC address 3.2, and my subnet mask is 20 bit mask, and my default gateway is 3.1. Okay, once if you complete that, want to set the just to try, you can try. Go to first PC. I want to make the check the connection between these both the PCs. Okay, from here to here. My first PC is 1.2. I'm going to ping from first PC to second PC. I'm going to 168.3.2. It is not able to show you some errors. What is the error of this? Destination unreachable error means we are not getting the routing. This case showing the errors. So we want to configure the RIP routing. Okay, you can see. Go to first router. Go to first router. This first router having there are two networks. One is the 2.0 networks connected to 2.0 networks. Another one is 1.0 networks. Okay, so what are the networks I am going to having this router? Only I am configuring these two routers networks only in this router. Okay, go to router R1. Go to configuration mode, interface. Sorry, IP router. Okay, using command is router RIP. We want to set the what I have the two networks. One is 2.0 networks, another one is 1.0 networks. I want to configure these two routers. My router network 2.168.2.0, subnet 235.235.235.0. Okay, so this is no need this time. Okay, next my network 192.168.0 networks. Quick meter, come back exit. Go to second router. You can see the second router has the two networks. One is 2.0 networks. Okay, another one is these networks 3.0 networks. I'm going to configure this two. One is 3.0, 2.0, another one is 3.0. I want to configure this two network in my router R2. Okay, go to router R2. Go to configuration mode, router RIP, and network address is 192.168.2.0. Network address is 192.168.3.0. Once you come back exit. Verify the network device IP. Okay, you can see this is the routing table of router. Okay, this is the AD value. This is the matrix value. Go to R1 router. Verify the routing table, show IP. Okay, you can see this is the RIP routing table. Okay, R means RIP. This is RIP version 1. This is my matrices value. This is the maximum. This is my hop count of these matrices. I have only one host between these two networks. This case is showing the only one. Okay, so this is the basic understanding about the RIP routing. So the RIP routing version 1 is only supporting the classful routing, means you can see we have the three networks. One is 1.0, another one is 2.0, another 3.0. Only we are using the class C IP address of these three networks. This case is only supporting the classful routing. Okay, thanks for watching. Thank you.